bump up actually as we get into both our Thursday and our Friday, and we are tracking still some wet weather along the north and central coast. So I'll outline that, but first off, a beautiful shot from our Wall Center hotel camera. Temperatures are sitting at 21 degrees, and we've got a southwesterly wind at 7 kilometers per hour. Few of the highs across the province today. Lytton still getting up to 30, Kamloops 31 degrees, a warm one today in Trail, and it was similar for the southern half of the Okanagan. With Metro Vancouver, though, climbing up to 21 degrees. It was a touch cooler in comparison to yesterday. Now, the plan is overnight tonight we'll dip down to 14 degrees. We've got some sunshine in the mix through the day tomorrow. 23 is the high. Away from the water, 26, but when you factor in the humid exit, it'll be feeling closer to 29 areas inland. Now, the weather maker across the north and central coast will bring rainfall heavy at times this evening. It continues through the day, and the northern tip of Vancouver Island may get clipped by some of that precipitation, and we are going to see a bit more cloud cover moving in across the northern and central half of the island. So here's the future cast as we put it into play. We've got that moisture that is moving in, bit of instability also across the central interior, and then that same system is going to bring a bit of a blip in the forecast, or we are going to watch a couple of systems bring a blip in the forecast even for us across Metro Vancouver. Ridge starts to build in for a Thursday, Friday, and then as we get in towards the weekend, especially for the latter half in towards the interior, it'll be a touch cooler, and we may even see the chance for some showers along the south coast on Saturday in the southern half of the province. For the interior, it will be on Sunday, but then the ridge starts to build once again, and summer makes a return into early next week. Warmer temperatures is when that rainfall is increasing the flood concern. The latest from the BC River Forecast Centre with the flood watch for the Shakolton, so that's been upgraded, and the central coast now included within a high stream flow advisory. So the rainfall along the north coast, that's the one area of concern, especially for the central interior, and for the southern half, it'll still remain warm and sunny. A bit more cloud cover for the northern and central half of the island, but all areas across Metro Vancouver, it's dry and towards our weekend. We could see a few isolated showers and a bit more cloud cover for our Saturday so far. Guys.